How to make full screen TikTok video on CapCut. What's up everybody, in this quick tutorial I'll show you guys how you can easily create a full screen TikTok video on CapCut. For that you first need to go to your CapCut application, make sure that the app is up to date, and then you will have to create a new project. So let me just create a new project right here. So here I've imported my image. What I'm going to do next is on this video I'm just gonna go ahead and choose the aspect ratio and then make it 9:16. That is the TikTok size. But as you can see, there are black spots right on top and the bottom of the video. So you can just try to zoom in to the video, and if you play it, it will zoom in, but it will degrade the quality of the video. So if you don't want that, all you have to do is just go back to its original size, and then all you have to do is go to background and then tap on blur. Select a background blur so that it doesn't look completely black, and then tap on export. This is the first thing you can do, or you could just try to flip the video 90 degrees and then fit it on your screen. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.